Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Outrage and support this evening as the country reacts to news that all 3 states of public emergency will end in January.
This after the opposition voted against extending the security measure in St. James, St. Catherine North and sections of the corporate area.
We have mixed reactions from people in St. James, political commentators and security experts.
But first, here's TVJ's Andrea Chisholm with what happened in Parliament yesterday.
I come here today seeking a reaffirmation, a commitment to staying the course with a successful strategy to reduce the loss of lives in our country.
One objective from Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Part of the reason, murders in St. James are down 70% and up to December 9 right across the country.
Murders are down 21.7%. Shootings are down 21.4%.
And that's part and parcel of the opposition's decision not to support any further extensions, arguing that an SOE should be used in extreme circumstances. Dr. Peter Phillips adds that without the SOE, the security forces can keep their checkpoints, saturate an area, cordon, search, and establish curfews.
You can arrest anyone you reasonably suspect of criminal activity. You can charge anyone who is part of a criminal gang or who you suspect to be part of a criminal gang. The only thing that you cannot do without the state of emergency is to arrest citizens and hold them indefinitely without giving them recourse to the courts.
The opposition reiterated the harsh conditions faced by those detained at the Freeport lockup in St. James, pointing out that up to October 9, only 139 detainees were charged. Another opposition MP referenced comments from the police commissioner that detainees are often assisted with things like identification.
So in order to bring people into the formal system and assist them, we detain them. You know, this second paragraph suggests a kind of needs by force. We're going to take it by force, the song said. We're going to take it by force. And the other question it asks is, what happens to the photographs and the fingerprints of these detainees, 98% of whom won't be charged?
For the National Security Minister,
88% of the population in St. James supports the state of public emergency. 81% of the sample interviewed said that it has been managed fairly.
This is not a request coming from a political party. This is something that the state security forces have requested.
We support the extension of the ZOZOs. We call for more ZOZOs, but we cannot, Mr. Speaker, given our constitutional responsibilities, support the further extension of the state of emergency.
In the end, a minimum of 42 votes were needed. All 33 government members voted to extend the SOEs, but all opposition members who were present said no. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.